we're bringing you the stock bulletin, where we take you through some of the news articles which we believe could affect your stock.
So Tesla, as of today, they started delivering locally produced Model Y crossovers in China. Why that's significant is because China is the world's largest EV market. So them locally producing the Model Y crossovers is good for the Chinese economy.
Yeah.
And also good as a whole for Tesla investors.
It's a big sign.
Yeah.
It's a big sign that they said they was going to do something.
Delivering on their promises. That was going to be my next point, literally.
I think it's massive. The Model Y is a car that a lot of people have been waiting for, because Tesla up until now have only made normal saloon cars, innit? And people have been waiting for like a 4x4 kind of situation. Do you understand? Obviously they make their Model X, but that's way out of people's price range. It opens Tesla up to a wider market. I'm following what's happening in America with Biden. Right now, they're saying that the stimulus check. This news is great for the economy, because a lot of stocks I think will rise. A lot of consumer stocks will rise. A lot of people are gonna have more money to spend. To be honest, a lot of people who think they're like super investors are gonna go and invest their money in the stock market as well. The other bit of news about Biden's got some serious regulators that are coming for Wall Street. They're looking to reverse certain rules that even Trump put in place. So that they're really trying to clamp down on like dodgy behavior on Wall Street. I think there will be some reduced activity in the stock market, which could potentially bring some prices down.
The Trump administration, they notified Huawei suppliers, including chipmaker Intel, that is revoking certain licenses to sell to the Chinese company.
Huawei was already slammed. You know what I'm saying? Getting banned and stuff.
People who might have invested in not only Huawei, but Intel as well. Because with Intel, they've got a new CEO, and this is another problem that he has to deal with.
Straight away. Imagine that. You're starting a new job into fresh headache. So Disneyland Paris have delayed their reopening until April the 2nd. I've brought this up as significant news because it adds to the whole COVID situation. A lot of our governments are saying we're looking at March to really start reopening things. Furloughs are extended till March, April. If France themselves are saying that, Disneyland shouldn't open until after April the 2nd, there's literally...
This is a reminder, that this is a global pandemic, not a London pandemic.
It's not a London pandemic, exactly.
Some people forget this is a global pandemic.
It's global. Everyone's feeling it. And we don't know what's going to happen now in terms of a lot of our stocks. Like, there's literally no certainty.
But the one thing I'll say for Disney, they introduced Disney Plus this year.
Okay.
And that's doing extremely well for the business.
People are staying at home.
People are staying at home and streaming a lot. With Disney, rather than having too many hands in various pots, they're able to focus on just a few things. So before they had the movie franchise, the merch, the this, the that, the this, whatever. Now they've got Disney Plus and a few other things they can, but not as many as before, simply because of the pandemic, which has benefited them. The quality of movies that are coming up on Disney Plus have improved significantly. So they started off with, if you've not seen it, see So. They brought that onto the platform, and they're looking to bring on other great movies as well. Whereas when they initially started, it was your typical Disney films, which
Peter Pan and that.
So UK banks have decided to stop the deposit and withdrawal of cryptocurrencies. So I'm gonna name and shame HSBC, Starling. So the profits that you make from cryptocurrency, you can't deposit into your account.
But how would they know that you made profit?
Because it's coming from a specific platform.
So they're basically trying to block that currency, bro. That's an agenda against the whole currency.
Agenda against the whole currency.
That they need to revise that one, because I don't know how that's gonna run. There's too many people backing Bitcoin.
There's too many
people,
and a lot of corporate companies have started to invest in it too. But at the same time, banks have their own reasons.
Of course, they think people are doing dodgy stuff with Bitcoin and acquiring Bitcoin in dodgy ways, which is the fact.
They're not benefiting from it. At the end of the day, they're not benefiting.
It's true.
It all boils down to the fact that they're not benefiting.
But it's stupid, because they can benefit. The more cash you hold, even in Bitcoin, the more potentially liquid you are as a bank. The more money you have to actually give out as loans.
Of course.
Bitcoin needs money, bro. Until the next one, see you.